Today we're starting our seeds inside for our spring gardens. Hi, I'm Kerri from Ashcombe, and today I'm going to show you how to start your spring flower and vegetable seeds inside. February is the best time to shop for seeds. The racks are full and the possibilities are endless. You can find seeds for your butterfly garden or attracting hummingbirds and bees, flowers for sun and shade, and every vegetable you can imagine. If you're starting seeds for the first time and you're not sure what to choose, pick some of your family favorites like tomatoes or cucumbers or peppers, and then a few flowers for the butterflies or bees. That's always a good place to start. Once you have your seeds picked out, you want to figure out how you're going to start them and where. So you can use biodegradable cow pots, a seed starting tray, even egg cartons or little cups can be used to start your seeds inside. To start your seeds, you want to use a good seed starting soil or a good lightweight all-purpose potting soil that doesn't stay too wet. This is a seed starting tray, so you can start many different varieties of seeds in a very small area. On the back of the seed packet, it'll tell you a lot of important information like how tall the plant gets, how deep to plant it in the soil, and how far to space it once it grows. It'll also tell you the days to germination, and that's how long it'll take from the time you plant it till the time it sprouts. So to plant your seeds, I'm just gonna use this little paintbrush, or you could use a pencil or your finger, and I'm just gonna poke some holes down into the soil. And just one seed per hole. And just cover them back up. And most important, make sure you label your tray so you know what you planted in there. After you've planted your seeds, you do want to water it. You can use a spray bottle or just a Dixie cup or something to moisten your seeds to get them started. This lid will keep your plants moist and warmer. Keep the tray in a sunny spot, definitely warm, and once the seeds do sprout, you want to remove the top. After they've germinated, you can then put them into a larger pot until it's time for them to go outside. Do you grow seeds at home? If you do, what are some of your favorites? For more helpful growing tips, check out our other videos like planting houseplants or creating a terrarium.